Hello, we continue with the activity of today, but I need that you copy again, please, the Friday 25 September 2020. Topic, the heart and the rose. Performance, sing a song. Okay, but first we look the song. Okay, this is the heart and the rose. This is a heart and this is the rose. 25 soldiers in the box. Remember box? En la caja. 25 soldados en una caja. A red and blue uniform. The uniform is red and blue. A paper dancer, she's the paper dancer, by the lake. A tin soldier, he is a tin soldier, thinks, piensa, she's great, que ella es fantástica. But look a little closer. The tin soldier has one leg, only one leg. Mira más de cerca y verás que él tiene solo una pierna. They threw him in the fire. Here's gone my love, he said. ¿Ok? Entonces él fue tirado al fuego. Mira, ven con mi amor. His heart is in the fireplace together with her rose. Está junto a la rosa. The soldier and the dancer are happy because pues es la abreviación de por qué they are close. Porque ellos están juntos, ellos están felices. Okay, and now please you listen the audio and sing a song. Bye. See you.